welcome to Emoneyshoes channel. I'd like to welcome all my new family members. I don't like to say subscribers, continued family members. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for rocking with Money Run Clothing. If you haven't checked them out, go check them out. A1 service, great communication, great quality. Use that code, do what you like, DWYL, get that 20% off that order. He will square you away, or you can DM directly on IG. Also, get ready tomorrow, the sneaker reveal for Who Has the Heat sneaker battles, week 3. Also, you can check out the previous battles as well. Go check out my partners in crime, 313 Retro Queen, PM Kicks. Now, if you want to follow me, check me out on E_money_shoes on IG. Become a part of the Money Squad. Not without the just Money Squad, to be exact. Now, I know I'm going to catch a little heat for this. So, take a look. Well. What do we have here? And I'm going to catch some heat. I'm not the most hype on Jordan 1. I know I catch flack for this all the time. But a lot of people probably didn't get a chance to get this shoe. They may be worn out on this shoe. But this is another one of those shoes. It was kind of limited, you know. It was kind of limited. Kind of similar to those Bread Toes 1. Like I said, I don't need to get the shoes early. But please believe me, I will get the shoe. If I want the shoe, I will get the shoe. Just so you know. Let's get into this review. Size 10.5, Fisher colorway, turbo green, sail white, suggested retail price 160 of them things. But this was not a quick strike, so I got that little discount. You know how I do. Some things they do for us for serving this country. That's one little small thing. Got your little sticker ricker. Got your check. All that good stuff don't mean that nowadays. Completely undisturbed paper. And I must say, Jordan 1 fans, I actually might keep. Back it up. Back that ass up. Get that side hit. Get that front view. Got that turbo green lace there. Got that purple lace there. Kind of got that Charlotte Hornets vibe to this shoe. Now, I ain't gonna get into all these laces should be wrapped like this or that, because that'll just be giving y'all the wrong information. Gotta be asinine, because ain't no telling how the lace is supposed to be. I wasn't there for the one-on-one when it came off the assembly line, so I don't want to be giving y'all no false information on that. And we just slide it onto that side. Got that nice gray, kind of like a wolf gray, Nike with the check, with the trademark R, as we always know. Right here, got that turbo green with the sail. And pushing on the cushion. Not bad at all. White laces on these, on the tongue is off white. You might not consider it good in the camera. Then you got the hits of that Laker, so that's some cool points for me right now. Brownie points. You got white, yellow, and then you got your R and R there, and then you got your purple swoosh. I don't really care for this kind of old-fashioned cushion coming out the tongue, but hey, whatever works for you works. And see, you got kind of two different leather, because you can see this old Stanko Ranko here on the panel, and then here, now it's a little bit tougher. Then you got spring 19 Air Jordan 1 High OG, so everybody want to copy the off-white, I guess. Everybody want to have an off-white vibe with the shoes. You got that. Now this here part is hard as hell. I don't know what this is. Almost feel like chalk, but hey, oh well. Engraved Air Jordan. Check that stitching in question. That's above the check. Stitch it on the back. Double stitch it on the booty. Look at that. That ain't the softest. I've had softer. Needle side. More of that check. That's what I'm talking about. Look at the stitching up there. I don't know which laces I should go with. We'll see. Inside, all the turbo, 10.5. Normally, I could go to the side on 10s, but this one should be okay. Won't be too bad if it creases, because creasing on some shoes just don't look that great. Production dates 9/19/18 So this is a I am pretty well impressed with this shoe. I must say, Jordan 1 lover, I am pretty impressed. Not usually impressed with one, but I am impressed with this shoe nonetheless. So, with that being said, on a little lit meter, I will give this a 4.7 out of 5. 4.7 out of 5. I know a lot of people are like, what? Yeah, a 4.7 out of 5 on these. Pretty dope shoe, especially for the spring, right around the corner. So it's all up in the air. So with that being said, like I said, go check out the Homie Money Run Clothing. Check out the reveal show tomorrow on Wednesday. Then we got the actual battle on Saturday at 9 p.m. Eastern with my partners in crime, 313 Retro Queen and PM Kicks. Tell a family member, a friend, we're trying to keep it pushing, get that 1,500 by the end of the month. Then we'll be probably doing some more giveaways pretty soon, so get those notification bells ready. And it's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out as always. Peace.